Government has cancelled many examinations, but 10th standard exam is the foundation exam for all the educational system. And at this examination, my dear 10th standard students, keep your target at 99%. This will come up when you enable your 3 C's, the confidence, commitment and courage. With these 3 C's, you will find how you will, you can and you have to reach to your target, where because there is no second option. Your scoring at 10th standard will decide in your entry into the vast expanse of professional courses. Good morning Gulbarga, Assalamu alaikum parents, students and all my dear viewers. Syed Bare PU College is a premier institute for medical and engineering preparations. Here at Syed Bare, we promote holistic education of higher possible standards to promote our students on the pinnacle of success. Our mission is to uplift girl-child education to fly high in the educational competitive world. Syed Bare PU College is promoting in the upcoming corona pandemic no donation for PUC first year and second year admissions. Here at Syed Bare, we are offering all the 10th standard and students who are aspiring for PUC first year and second year science a wonderful package of theory, CET and NEET preparation all together in one fee structure. My dear students, Syed Bare is student friendly. Our discipline coaches the students to have a mindset of 99% scoring at PU level. My dear students, PUC at 10th standard at Syed Bare PU College is wonderful. Our faculties are student friendly, which will coach you with all the NCERT based detailed syllabus, and simultaneously we are dealing with CET and NEET at 3 levels. Syed Bare offers complete different system for boys as well as girls. We have different wings of college for boys classes and girls classes. Complete security of the girls is offered over here, and the college caters complete free study material for PU 1 and 2. We have our own Syed Bare material which caters for theory preparations. This is all taken to focus with the students' preparation with the easier language. Moreover, the complete study system is all based with topic-wise coaching, revision classes, weekly test. Every Monday there is a test on theories, and every Thursday there is a test on NEET coaching. After the completion of every topic, we give you NEET coaching, where we target scoring of 600 plus marks in NEET. Moreover, after every topic we deal with NEET. All major topics are covered at a right time. By the end of the regular course, by the end of September, we complete with the theory and the NEET preparations. And above all, weekly we have a guest lecture panel coming from Hyderabad. These lecturers are associated with Sri Chaitanya Narayana, who are given a complete course package for biology, chemistry and physics. Now my dear students, let us now discuss why PUC is very important after 10th standard. Many students might be wondering to go take up ITI. Dear students, ITI can fetch you only 10,000 rupees salary after the completion of course, whereas PUC is having a vast expanse of 45 courses at PUC level. At this level, you will be able to get admissions into vast scenario of educational field. Many engineerings, many medical courses and coming up to paramedical courses also. Here at Syed Bare, we offer you a package of free CET and NEET, where there is no additional amount taken from the students. Syed Bare PU College is not at all commercial based. We are working to give a service to the Gulbarga society so that we can uplift our educational world of Gulbarga and take our Gulbarga students on the higher pedestals of success. I wish all my 10th standard students a good luck, and we wish to give them a good service in the upcoming days. All the students, our admission procedure is open with the second day of the examination, and we are going to start with the classes immediately after the 10th standard exam. Right at this period, we have many number of admissions, but I've kept it at a hold because we want to serve all best students around in Gulbarga. Our target is not only the best, we are open with all the students having different batches. So my dear students, you all are welcome at Syed Bari and take the best benefit of our services. Thank you one and all.
Hello Gulbarga, myself Shiba Iram have completed my schooling from the Tiny Pearl School and have now joined the Syed Bari PU College. After completing my 10th standard, I was very skeptical that which college I should join, but Farida ma'am's motivation talk have inspired me and have given me confidence to join the college. After joining the Syed Bari PU College, talking about the studies of Syed Bari College is very amazing. The college has provided us the KCET and NEET coaching. The student of our college has gave a free NEET coaching for KCET and NEET. After joining this college, I found that studies are very amazing. The students of our college has given free KCET and NEET coaching. The KCET and NEET coaching is given at the 3 levels. First, by our college lecturers after completing the every topic. Then we were conducted the evening classes from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. from where the lecturers come from the top level of the Gulbarga. Then later we have the top faculties which we come from the Hyderabad and Bangalore. Then talking about the studies which are very amazing, and the college environment is also very amazing. Then we have separate wings for boys and separate wing for girls. The fundamental of Syed Bari College is homework, which is very important in our college. I suggest to all the SSLC students to come and join our college and take the benefit of becoming a great doctors and engineers. The student of our college always pray to God that may this institution always shine like a star and burn like a sun. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Praveen Reddy. I am lecturer in biology from the Syed Bari PU College of Science. So dear students, today I am giving the importance of the NEET examination to you. So all we know, the PUC science course, majority of the students, they are going to apt after completion of the 10th class. There are many other courses are there to move for the 11th and 12th class, but in the society 90% of the students, they will go for the PUC science. The reason behind that one is they'll have a bright future. Means once they enter into PUC science, after completion of their theory, they will move for the entrance examination. Like our state examination is KCET, the nation exam which is conducted by the NTA, that is NEET exam. The KCET exam, it is for the different type of medical courses except the MBBS as well as BDS. तो अगर आप KCET से if you are moving for the securing some good rank after attending the examination, getting some good result, you can join for the BAMS, BHMS, BVSC and horticulture and other type of courses. But students, our focus should be always for the NEET examination. So NEET का full form क्या है students? What is the full form of the NEET? National Entrance Examination Test, which will be conducted by the NTA. अगर NEET examination आप appear करके, if you get very good marks, so total marks is for 720 students. In that, if you secure above 600 marks, definitely you will get a wonderful rank where you get the free medical seat. So medical seat बोले तो first time telling about the MBBS. If you get some lesser marks, then you will go for the free the BDS seat. Okay, dental. Now my major point is telling about the importance of the subjects in the NEET. तो NEET में आपको 3 subjects focus करना चाहिए. One is biology, second one is chemistry, third one is physics. So I will tell first about the biology. 90 questions will be there from the biology and each question will have the 4 marks. So dear students, ये NEET examination में ये negative marking रहता है. So for every correct question you are going to get 4 marks. For every wrong question minus 1 mark. So thereby ये concept को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Negative marking बोलते हैं. तो 90 questions रहता है. So 90 questions if you get clear with this 90 question, तो 90 को 90 करेक्ट आया आपका मेहनत पे, इधर हम अच्छा कोचिंग देते हैं द सैयद बारी. So if 90 questions you had been clear, what is the total marks students you will get? 360. 90 multiplied by what? 4. 360. अब रहे सो दो सब्जेक्ट्स है. One is physics, another one is chemistry. So there 45 questions will be there. तो 45 multiplied by 4 कितना होता है? 180 marks. 180 360. तो 360 में if you secure some 250 marks also, here some 360 plus 250, 360 में 300 ही सोचो. So definitely your marks will be some 540 above. तो 540 above definitely students one can get the free medical seat. तो इधर PCB subjects में the most important subject is biology. ये बायोलॉजी में 90 क्वेश्चंस रहता ना, तो 90 क्वेश्चंस 45 and 45. तो 45 questions is from the PUC first year, 45 questions is from the PUC second year. तो PUC first year में you have the 22 chapters, PUC second year में you have the 16 chapters. So dear students, please focus the PUC science course once you join, and go for the good preparation of theory and target for the NEET examination. Is it clear? So that's all from my side, and we'll meet in our college. The name of college is Sayyad Bari PU College of Science.
Sayyad Bari's slogans: learn to earn and earn to learn. You learn, you will earn your best percentage. When you earn your best percentage, your future fees will be less. We not only promote students up to theory examinations or NEET examinations, but we also cater our services for option entries, for further admission process to medical and engineering.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.